Apple unveils AirPods 4 with USB-C charging and smallest case yet. Apple has introduced the latest version of its popular AirPods, the AirPods 4, boasting several new features designed to enhance user experience. The updated model introduces improved controls, allowing users to easily play or pause music and mute calls with a simple touch. A key update is the introduction of a USB-C port for charging the case, which now offers up to 30 hours of battery life. This aligns with Apple's broader move towards USB-C across its devices. The AirPods 4 comes in two models, one of which features active noise cancellation, providing a more immersive listening experience by blocking out unwanted sounds. The advanced model also includes a transparency mode, enabling users to hear ambient sounds while listening to music, making it easier to stay aware of surroundings. The new AirPods 4 are priced at $129, while the model with active noise cancellation is available for $179. Both versions are available for pre-order today, with a release in stores on September 20th. In addition, Apple has introduced new colors for the AirPods Max, including Midnight, Blue, Purple, Orange, and Starlight. Despite the fresh look, the price remains unchanged at $549. Meanwhile, AirPods Pro are receiving several feature updates aimed at enhancing hearing health. A standout addition is a hearing protection feature that prevents the volume from reaching levels that could cause damage. Another key update is a hearing test capability, which can be conducted via your iPhone to monitor your hearing health. The results are stored in the Health app, helping users track their risk of hearing loss. Later this fall, Apple will also introduce a hearing aid feature for the AirPods Pro, allowing them to function as hearing aids to amplify surrounding sounds. It's important to note that these updates apply to the AirPods Pro 2 and are not part of the new product launch.